Hello, and welcome to this brief overview of approval policies in Morpheus. Policies can be created for groups and clouds to require approvals for actions with the built-in Morpheus approvals engine or via a ServiceNow integration. Approvals can be configured for provisioning and lifecycle extensions. If you have issues configuring or managing approvals, ensure that the role you are using has full access to approvals under the role permissions. Regardless of role settings, any instance or app provisioned by any user to a group or cloud with an active approval policy applied will require approval before the instance or app will provision, delete, etc. Creating an approval policy can be done across groups or clouds. For this example, we'll be creating one in a group. To create the policy, we're going to navigate to our Groups page, choose the group we want the policy applied to, go to the Policies tab, and click Add. From here, in our drop-down, we will select the type of approval from one of these four. For this example, I'm going to select Provision. Then you can add an optional name or description, and leave this enabled for the policy to be active once it's saved. In the config section here, you can select internal approvals, or if you have a ServiceNow integration set up in your appliance, you can select ServiceNow approvals. If the policy is being created on a cloud, you may also add tenants for the approval policy to be applied to. Once that's done, click Save. If you selected internal approvals, approval requests will be managed within Morpheus via the Operations Approvals section. If you selected a ServiceNow integration, approval requests will be managed within ServiceNow. Hopefully, this overview of how to create approval policies was helpful. If you have any questions, please see our documentation link below. Thank you.